Hey guys, welcome back to a lawn tractor quick tip. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip if your tractor won't turn over. If your lawn tractor has a Briggs & Stratton single cylinder engine, usually it's not the battery but something else that you see right here. And this tractor here was very difficult to turn over. It wouldn't even start near the end. And the valve lash here is quite extreme. It's so large. To put it in perspective, this is what it should be adjusted at, 4,007 inch. Look at the gap now. If you put the proper feeler gauge, you can see the gap is just insane. And it's easy to do this. You can just remove the spark plug, turn the engine over. Once you turn it enough, the other valve will open, and then you can check the lash on the other one, and it's extreme as well. And one thing you want to make sure you check is that this bolt has not come loose from the head. As you can see here, it has come loose, and that's probably why the lash is so large between the valve and the rocker arm. So definitely make sure to check both bolts here that hold the rocker arms onto the head. So to fix this in half an hour, guys, click on the video link under today's video. In that video I'm going to show you in full details how to repair this. And technically, guys, you should be checking your tractor every year for this problem or to prevent it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a good day.